welcome back for my final daily report market analysis video with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets on Wednesday the 12th of August. Let's have a look at this gold chart, which has had enormous volatility, huge volatility throughout gold yesterday. 110, 115 bucks down on the day. That is the biggest down day you've seen on gold. I think it's the second biggest ever, but the biggest down day we've seen on gold since April 2013, and it was an enormous day of volatility, and it hasn't stopped yet today either. We saw initially the market down sharply again, rebounding sharply, and is currently now starting to settle a little bit, but interestingly enough, 1,940 bucks, which was an old basis of support, old basis of a consolidation point, which is now becoming a basis of resistance. Now the key would be how this one actually settles down, because ultimately we see gold as a buy into weakness, and into weakness that is supported, though I would add. So we're looking for the dust to settle a bit, for the market just to start getting a little bit of normality back together, and I think that would be a nice buying opportunity. I see the fundamentals positive for gold, I see the technicals positive for gold on a long-term basis. So subsequently, how the market settles down is going to be important, but I think holding above 1900 bucks could be a bit of a gauge now. 1901 was yesterday's low, so arguably that is a bit of a gauge. Initially support a bit of volatility around a reaction low at 1917, but ultimately I think 1900 bucks could become a bit of a level to watch now. But how the market responds to obviously this huge volatility in the coming days, technically it's still looking corrective. I mean, there was a slight positive divergence on the RSI and an uptick on MACD lines, but they're all still underneath neutral on the hourly chart. RSI just unwinding back to 50, even though we've seen an unwinding move of almost 86 bucks, I think it is, from the low this morning to the rebound high. So again, huge volatility still in the market, but as the market settles down, we can start to look at how the outlook has been affected, and I think this is ultimately going to be seen as a nice buying opportunity in due course. But I think ultimately there could be some further volatility in the meantime. Holding that uptrend was a really interesting move as well. That uptrend of the last 2 months comes in, two and a half months, comes in at 1867, today's low 1863. So really volatile moves on gold, really interesting chart moves as well, and it certainly looks as though that the dust hasn't quite settled yet, but we are looking for opportunities. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos. Go to our website, sign up for our webinars, and also click to watch Trader Talks, our videos that give you top trading ideas.